Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Queen Alma. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for your likes, for your share, for your comments, and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Now we will be our today affirmation is emotional journey part 2. Healing affirmation for emotional journey part 2. Remember, you are who you are. You are beautiful. You are strong. You cannot control what people say about you. You cannot control how people think about you. You cannot control how people overthink about you. But you can control how it gets to you. You are the author of your life. You are the driver of your life. You own your life. No one should be in control of your life. You are in control of your life. Don't let what people say, don't let how people do, don't let how people react, people reaction, people respond, everything, don't let it get to you, because if you allow things to keep getting to you, it will break you and it might affect you mentally and emotionally. Now, let's dive into our affirmation. I am not a therapist. I just talk with experience and with what I learned. And again, I want to tell you this, that you see, our relationship with people sometimes really matters. You cannot expect everyone to be like you. You cannot expect everyone to have the same thinking like you. Our thinking, our orientation are all different. So people you met today might not have the same thinking as you are. So if you want to relate with people, normally you need to accept them for who they are. Now let's dive into our affirmation. 1. My heart is open to love. My heart is open to love. My heart is open to love, but guided by wisdom. My heart is open to love, but guided by wisdom. My heart is open to love, but guided by wisdom. 2. Peace flow through me like gentle light after a storm. Peace flow through me like gentle light after a storm. 3. I am not what happened to me. I am who I chose to become. That is why you need to change your mindset concerning yourself. If you want to be a millionaire, you need to be a millionaire in your mind before it starts manifesting. If you want to become a billionaire, you need to become a billionaire in your mind before it starts manifesting. You need to see, you need to foresee before you start seeing the manifestation. You need to foresee before you start seeing the manifestation. I am not what happened to me. I am who I chose to become. 4. My silence is no longer pain. It is my sanctuary. My silence is no longer pain. It is my sanctuary. 5. Every deep breath I take rewrites my story in peace. Every deep breath I take rewrites my story in peace. 6. I detach from people who drain me and embrace my wholeness. I detach myself from people who drain me and embrace my wholeness. I detach myself from people who drain me and I embrace my wholeness. 7. I am worthy of calm, morning, rest, and night. I am worthy of calm, morning, and restful night. I am worthy of calm morning and restful night. 8. I am proud of the woman I am becoming, grounded, glowing, and free. I am calm of the woman I am becoming, grounded, glowing, and free. I am proud of the woman or of the man I am becoming, grounded, glowing, and free. I am proud of the woman I am becoming, grounded, glowing, and free. 9. I trust my emotions to guide me. I trust my emotions to guide me, not to control me. I trust my emotions to guide me, not to control me. I trust my emotions to guide me, not to control me. 10. My healing is my power. My peace is my revenge. My healing is my power. My peace is my revenge. My healing is my power. My peace is my revenge. I trust my emotion to guide me and not to control me. Remember, don't let your emotion control you. Don't let your emotion control you. Your anger emotion, your overthinking emotion, whatever emotion you're going through, don't let it control you. Because you have power, you have authority over your emotion and over your thinking. I trust my emotion to guide me, but not to control me. 10. My healing is my power. My peace is my revenge. If you find this affirmation helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, you have power over your thinking. You have power over your emotion. See you in my next